News coming in from Dubai. There have been explosions that have been heard in the downtown Dubai area. Air defense systems are reportedly intercepted targets over the city, is what we're getting to know. Ajay Jandal on the telecast with me. Ajay, as per eyewitnesses, there are explosion sounds that have been heard. Reports are saying that the air defense systems in UAE are intercepting these missiles and drones. What more can you tell us? All right, up until now, the Iranian missiles and drones were limited to Kuwait and Jordan and Bahrain, and to a certain extent Qatar and Iraq as well. We're getting to know that Dubai has also reportedly intercepted missiles and drones from Iran. Ajay on the telecast with me. Ajay, what more can you tell us?
Yes, Qatar and now the Dubai also, they have detected and several missiles which was fired from the Iran side to target the US bases and other locations over there. We have seen that Kuwait have already reported yesterday that they have foiled attempt of Iran to target the Qatar, but now Dubai is also claiming, and earlier also during the previous spell of war between US and Iran, that has came into the notice that how Dubai, UAE, Kuwait, Oman, they all was hit by Iran. So this time once again they are attempting, but attempt have been foiled. But for how long they will be able to save it, that has to be seen. But yes, Iran is continuously hitting out on the Middle East countries, which is in the support of US.
Right, absolutely. Ajay, thank you for giving us that information. And on that note, I slip into a short break. Thanks for watching NewsX.